An electric brush cutter is a powerful, eco-friendly tool designed to clear overgrown vegetation, including tough weeds, shrubs, and even young saplings. Unlike traditional string trimmers, which typically handle light grass and weeds, a brush cutter comes equipped with metal blades or heavy-duty trimmer heads that can tackle denser and thicker growth. It's particularly useful in areas where lawns transition into wild landscapes, making it a favorite among gardeners, landscapers, and homeowners with large properties. Because it runs on electricity, it doesn't require gasoline or produce emissions, making it an ideal choice for those who want to maintain their yard while being mindful of their environmental impact. Electric brush cutters also start with the push of a button, eliminating the hassle of starting a gas-powered engine. These cutters come in various sizes and power capacities, catering to different levels of yard care. Compact, battery-powered models offer flexibility and are easy to maneuver, allowing users to access tight spaces and remote areas without dragging a power cord around. For larger projects, corded electric brush cutters deliver consistent power for longer periods, perfect for clearing wide, dense areas. Each model is designed with user comfort and safety in mind, often featuring ergonomic handles, anti-vibration technology, and blade guards to help ensure safe operation. The electric motor also runs more quietly than gas models, making it a great option for neighborhoods or early morning yard work without disturbing the peace. Using an electric brush cutter is also more energy efficient and requires less maintenance. Gone are the days of dealing with oil changes, fuel refills, and spark plug replacements. With electric models, routine upkeep is much simpler, often limited to cleaning and occasional blade sharpening. Additionally, electric brush cutters offer an excellent balance between power and eco-friendliness, making them the tool of choice for those who want a hassle-free, effective way to manage overgrowth. Whether you're tackling thick brush or keeping a garden path clear, an electric brush cutter is an accessible, efficient way to tame the wild side of your landscape.